Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem. Pi raised to the power of x is equal to x raised to the power of pi. We have an obvious solution here, right? Which is x is equal to pi. Since we know that pi raised to the power of pi is equal to pi raised to the power of pi. But the problem here is this the only solution? If you carefully plot the graph of this equation, you will find out that this equation actually has two solutions. One of them is pi, but the rest we don't actually know yet. So here we're going to make use of the product logarithm. So let us start by taking the natural log on both sides of the equation. So we have the natural log of pi raised to the power of x. This is equal to the natural log of x raised to the power of pi. Use this property of logarithm. The natural log of a to the power of b is equal to b times the natural log of a. So this becomes x times the natural log of pi is equal to pi times the natural log of x. Let's divide both sides of this equation by x multiplied by pi. So dividing both sides by x multiplied by pi, here pi and pi get cancelled, here x and x get cancelled. For on the right hand side, we have the natural log of x divided by x. This is equal to the natural log of pi divided by pi. For the left hand side, 1 over x is same as x raised to the power of -1. Then multiply by the natural log of x. This is equal to the natural log of pi divided by pi. Now, use this nice property. A raised to the power of b can be written in the form e raised to the power of b times the ln of the base, which is a. Therefore, this becomes e raised to the power of negative natural log of x multiplied by the natural log of x. This is equal to the natural log of pi divided by pi. Simply multiply both sides by -1. We get the following: negative natural log of x multiplied by e raised to the power of negative natural log of x. This is equal to negative natural log of pi divided by pi. Now we can take the product logarithm on both sides, which is the Lambert-W function, okay? So this is the Lambert-W function, and this is for the general solution, and there is a subscript n. At the left-hand side, you will use the property of this w function. The w of k times e raised to the power of k is equal to k. There, the left-hand side simplifies to negative natural log of x is equal to the w of negative natural log of pi divided by pi. Now multiply both sides -1 and take the common base of e on both sides. That is, if we exponentiate both sides with the base e, then we get the following: x is equal to e raised to the power of negative w with a subscript of n of negative natural log of pi divided by pi. Now we have two solutions at some of the branch chords of this Lambert-W function, where n is equal to 0 and where n is equal to -1. If n is equal to 0, that will give us our first solution, which is approximately equal to 2.38217908799. And when n is equal to -1, we get the second solution, which is approximately equal to 3.14159, which we know very well that this is equal to pi. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe, also like, comment, and share.